A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for joker. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nurse. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for unicorn. V is for van. W for watermelon. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.